right here. Holy crap, this storm's crazy. There's sunshine and my wife just got home. Man, it was pretty dark before. Well, we didn't get hail like Green Bay did. Green Bay got hit with hail. Hope this clears up so I can take my car out. You know what I'm saying? You guys know what I'm saying? Ooh, what's that? Ooh, Jesus. Amen. I can see the light right there. Let's take a look over here. No, I can't really see too much. Wait, hold on. Open up the window. Oh crap. Oh, shoot. I'm sorry. It's trying to zoom in on the screen here. Well, the sun's out, I'll give that. Cheese.
Oh.
Sorry. What's that?
I didn't know it's a toy. Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig?
Oh, this. Oh, this.
Where?
Okay.
This? What is this? A real working sink?
Okay. Okay, I want to get something cooler.
Minnie Mouse magic sink set? Okay.
Come here.
You guys are on camera. Check out what I got. It's not for me though. Go ahead, show it. Show it to them. Show what you got. Look, Vera. Whoa. What'd you get? What?
I got this. I got this pizza.
Good job. Got a dress.
Belle. I got Princess Belle.
Princess Belle dress. What you got? A mini magic sink set. Oh, you got some more stuff.
Can I open it now?
Oh, what you got? Princess. Oh, Rapunzel's. What's that? What is that? Oh my goodness. You guys don't look too excited. Only I'm excited. Only I'm excited.
I'm excited too.
Oh, you're excited too?
I'm excited too.
Oh.
Yeah. Can I open now? Yeah.
What's that?
Okay, are you feeling better?
Oh yeah, you got a little toy right here. You gotta show them that. All the other stuff is just cleaning supplies. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You happy? Yeah.
Can I open it now?
Yeah, we can open it.
Can I open my costume?
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, look at you.
You ready?
See? Just like this girl right here. Look at that. And you are... You got skeleton dress
Yeah, but she doesn't have a costume.
with Rapunzel's. set on.
I want to open my toy.
You want to open your toy?
Yeah.
Okay.